Daddy
and
Kittens! La 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 la. Oh, I see so many beautiful flowers. Tick, tick.
To make the shadow puppets, we need papers. Yes, papers. We need
Chopsticks.
chopsticks. Very good. We need scissors. Yes, and don't forget you cannot use the scissors if you're not parents around. Yes. Yes.
Cut your hand.
Yes, you can cut your finger. Next is sticky tape. Very good. And last one is pencil. Okay, you ready?
Go.
Let's do some drawings. All right, let's go. Are you ready to play?
Yeah.
So let's change clothes. Oh, you changed already.
Yeah.
Are you ready for the show?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Red Riding
Hood. Once upon a time, there was a house in the middle of the forest. In this house lives grandmother. She was very, very old and very, very sick. One day, she asked her granddaughter to bring some food and medicine because she cannot go out from home. Your grandmother is very, very sick. You have to give her some food and medicine.
Okay, bye-bye. Sponsored by IQ English.